Hi, it's Adele and beautiful Jane, and we have just done our meditation day, and I wanted to ask you how you felt about the day. What were your highlights? What did you enjoy?
Oh, it's the whole package, Adele. We've had a wonderful day.
Thank you.
We've enjoyed meeting other people who are all from all different walks of life.
Fantastic.
But yeah, we all share that feeling of wanting to be here to relax together, educate ourselves about how to live better. And I think we've bonded over the last 5 hours and just had a really, really super time.
Oh, that's exactly what I want to hear, because I'm going to Spain with the group and a lot of them don't know each other, and there's that fear of, well, what if I don't like people? But it's about that shared experience. You're there for the same reason, so as long as I make the atmosphere comfortable, then it's going to work.
Which you do, you're smashing at that. We've had such a lovely, lovely day.
So aspects, breaking it down, what did you think of the Pilates?
Pilates is really challenging, actually, for me.
I'm really surprised because she's uber fit. Uber fit.
Well, it's a different type of fitness, I think. And I love all the cardio stuff I usually do, but one thing I always forget is all the other muscles that you don't normally, and stretching and good posture.
Wow.
So I've benefited massively from that.
That's
today.
Incredible. I'm really pleased with that comment. And secondly, what did you think of the meditation?
Absolutely loved the meditation. I've not been sold on meditation before. In where I work, we've recently had some posters go up about doing a meditation session once a week within our workplace, and I thought there was no place for it before I came here today, because I thought actually it was quite a stressful environment.
Right.
But actually it's perfect, because that gives you that space just for that period of time that you're there doing it.
Good.
And then if it's done as skillfully as you did, you come back round again in a lovely way and then feel really energised.
Wow, thank you. How did you feel about the venue and the food?
I think the venue's smashing, isn't it?
So do I.
Really beautiful venue, and the food is amazing too. And we've had
good.
A really
Just
wonderful
run through.
time.
Do you know what you had? Do you know what you had?
So we had a snack earlier, didn't we? So which was
little chai pots.
Yeah, chai pots with some blueberries, absolutely delicious. And then we've just had some butternut squash, and it was with
it's a Moroccan spice.
Yeah, it's absolutely
delicious
beautiful with feta
salad.
Cheese.
That was good, wasn't
Such
it?
a good touch.
And quinoa as well. And then there's banana cake as well. That's
which
upstairs.
I will definitely be enjoying.
But she's done it with banana cake without any flour, so it's all oats instead, so it's even healthier.
It's all been wonderful, and I can't wait to come back with a group of friends and introduce them to it.
Thank you.
Thanks very much, Adele.